Justin Harman #2. Push and subscribe, yeah, that be you.
Just not good advice, right?
Don't throw up. Don't throw up. Don't throw up.
Me?
Yeah.
Do me a favor, put your bike in
Oh,
the
you
truck.
throw up. Never do. Never will.
You okay over there?
You can't deny the power of flaming hot free oil.
You're gonna outlet me drink you again?
What?
I said you're gonna outlet me drink you again?
You can't remember how we felt low. You have 4 days to get to the experience.
What?
You got like 3/4 of a bottle left.
My lips are still numb.
I've got
That can be better.
under half.
And that's supposed to mean what?
Okay, now it's just foam.
Yeah. Now it's just even.
Mr. Knox.
He's not getting the $20. Okay, Kevin said if I give him $20, he will shove this piece of bread up his ass. Hang on to this. Oh, God. $20 a piece of bread.
Take it.
$20 isn't bad.
Wait.
Wait, what? You're gonna give me $10 to eat it? I'm gonna give you $20 to shove it up your butt. Probably. He's like, I'll give you $1.
Fuck it. That is nasty.
You're the one that said it. I say you said $20 for.
Give me that shit.
You can't just throw it away or flush it. Yeah. We'll know it.
I will show you eat my butt. Fuck. Don't look.
Well, it's perfectly good bread too. $20 a loaf.
Fuck that. Not doing it.
Did you already try it? Yeah, did you try it so we know what
Not doing it.
You might want to pull your pants up. I mean, zip your pants up. Or not.
Not going to do it.
So you crushed a slice of bread for nothing? Did you already try to shove it in there? Did you?
Sure.
Did you try to shove it up your butt? Seriously?
No. Do you want this?
Did you try to put it up your butt? I think he tried to make it phallus shaped first. Wait a second. Are you trying to mold it into a penis? Are you really? Well, it's in there. Oh my god. That's not up your butt.
Come on, take the picture and get it over with.
That's not up your butt. Okay, I took it. That's down your pants.
Did you bit it?
Yeah. No.
Did you really fucking bite it? You fucking weirdo.
I don't even like raisin. Ugh.
And you bit it out of my ass.
It's got ass on it.
Wait. Alright, you guys gotta hold me up.
What do you mean hold you up? For what?
I'm about to go straight up.
Oh my god. If you fucking puke, I swear to God.
I swear to God, I'm gonna throw up all over you.
Oh, no.
Ah, I love you! I love you!
Don't throw up. Please don't throw up.
So what's the one section in a toy store that will make me and Kim puke? The Justin Bieber section. Who the fuck is Cody Simpson? Cody Simpson.
I have no idea.
Oh God, here you go.
No.
You could get the cardboard cutout, stickers, posters.
I think they're saying that tuna is so delicious, it's like chicken to everyone else. I don't know. I'm like, I could swear I hear them.